you really want to talk about business, if you are really trying to push that fight with Marlon Tapales, you know who to call. That's Sean Gibbons. Tinanong ko nga si Sir Sean, natawa lang eh.
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This content is presented by Arena Plus, Astigsa Sports.
Kung hindi mo gawin yan, actually, kung si Casimero talaga yung Janrel, wala talagang problema, lalo na nung kasama niya mga tamang tao. Kailan lang siya naging sablay? Nung ikaw na yung nanguna, hindi ka man nagtataka. When you left MP Promotions, hanggang ngayon, tune up pa rin kayo. Mag-4 na taon na. 2024 na ngayon. Tune up pa rin. Hindi, Pao, kailangan ba ng 3 taong tune up bago ka makalaban ng notable opponents?
Kasi, ayaw kami labanan eh.
Diba?
Ayaw
Sige,
kami labanan eh.
Mga rason, no? You are entitled sa kung ano mang sasabihin mong rason. Pero, men, diba, sasabihin, ngayon may naririnig ako, ayon sa aming source, baka, bago ko tunguhin yung Tapales na kaninang pinag-uusapan natin, baka daw sa Cebu, baka rematch nung Ugoni at ni Tumbua. Alam mo, hindi na ako magtataka kung magka-trilogy pa yan, Saan ka nakakita na dapat kinuhang kalaban mo, wawalisin mong easy, magkaka-rematch at baka posibleng magka-trilogy ka pa? Di ba? Paano mo ngayon papangarapin yung Inoue kung sa mismong tune-up hindi ka na makalagpas? O ngayon, dadalawin ko naman yung usapin kanina ng Marlon Tapales. For you, Masayuki Ito, you know
Teka. Wait, tanong ako muna bago ka magsalita.
Sige.
Napanood mo ba? Hindi pa?
Mga portions lang.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Dun sa GC ko. GC ng Silver Voice TV. Now, for you, Masayuki Ito, if you really want that fight to materialize, you know who to call. I know you're friends with Sir JC Manangkil. But if that is all word of mouth, then it is bullshit. Don't say that Marlon Tapales camp withdrew from that challenge. Diba? At syempre, kakagatin na naman itong mga fake news vlogger. Sinasabing takot daw si Marlon Tapales. For Diyos por Santo naman. Doon lang tayo sa makatotohanan. Parehas kong nasamahan yan. Si Kangkong nasamahan ko, si Marlon nasamahan ko, at nandun din ako nung nag-spar sila sa Wildcard Boxing Gym. Alam ko nangyari doon. Si Boy Bisa wala siya doon. Ako nandun, si Marco Robin nandun, Sir Brenda nandun, Jonah Sultan nandun. Alam namin kung paano siya minanhandle ni Marlon Tapales. Huwag kami, Dre. Huwag kami.
Alam mo naman yung mga nagsasabi na takot-takot dyan. Ewan ko ba sa kanila. Pero, ito tanong ko sa iyo kanina nung naputol ka. Kasi nga, naalam natin, nagkita si JC at saka si Masayuki Ito doon sa kumbati at nakapag-usap. Kasi mismo, sinabi doon, may picture. Some form of negotiation happened there.
Well, again, Pau Salud, if that is considered a negotiation, maybe like a suggestion or maybe a small talk, a word of mouth. If you really want to talk about business, if you are really trying to push that fight with Marlon Tapales, you know who to call. That's Sean Gibbons. Tinanong ko nga si Sir Sean, natawa lang eh. Paano mo sasabing aatras ang Team Tapales? Yung main man, tinawagan mo ba? Kung nahihiya kang tawagan si Sir Sean, if you are not too confident to call Sean Gibbons, Mr. Masayuki Ito, you can coordinate with Mr. Akihiko Honda, your former promoter, to mediate, diba, between you.
Straight question.